Hello YouTube, welcome back. Today we're going to be making cookies out of cookie dough topping. I assume other people have done this on YouTube, but when I tried to look it up on YouTube, it was just tutorials on how to make cookies, and that's not what I want. I want to make cookies out of cookie dough topping. Can you see all like the dishes in the background? That's kind of cool. Right on that. Let's grab some cookie dough, mash it all about. Whee! There we go. These are my cookies. Hope you like them.
Time for these to go in the oven.
Oh yeah, so at 375 it says bake for 8 to 12 minutes according to Google AI.
Ooh, yummy. They're actually expanding. That's kind of cool. So 12 minutes.
Wasn't enough, but I didn't preheat the micro oven. We're gonna go with a little more time.
Yeah, Mr. Krabs, yeah.
Oh, okay. Those actually look like cookies. That's pretty good.